Peace and blessings. Welcome to Rita Be Creative. In today's video, we share how to cut a perfect standard size hole for a doorknob using an installation kit as part of our DIY Slab Door series, a spin-off from the Walk-in Closet tour, where we shared an upgrade from the builder's grade entry door to a beautiful French glass door. So let's get started. This video is not sponsored. Check the description box below for more information as well as affiliate links. We are using the Ryobi installation kit. This is the second of 4 videos in this series. In the previous video, we cut and chiseled the door in order to install brass hinges. If you missed that video, check the iCard or thumbnail link at the end of this video. The kit comes with everything needed except 2 screws to hold the bracket on the door. Make sure the screws you use are not too long, causing interference with the opening where the hole will be created. This installation kit worked great. In the next video, we will install the keyless entry lock, so stay tuned. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. It helps the channel get noticed and found by others. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe and be blessed.